Hi, my name is Nathan James Dearden. I am a composer, conductor, singer, teacher, event curator, basically anything that enables me to facilitate the space to create new music. I think, like many people, I found solace in the music practice room during my time at school. Finding other people who had similar interests and just wanting to create music was such an exciting aspect of my school day that then carried on into my life. The idea that I was able to gather in a place with lots of other people with loads of different opinions and loads of different interests, bringing something really special to create one thing, which was music, was so exciting for me. I was also really lucky to grow up in such beautiful surroundings. I'm from the South Wales Valleys in Rhondda Cynon Taf, and the outdoors was such a big part of my childhood. Walking in nature and discovering the different environments that we find ourselves in and how we connect to that. I think that's a really big part of my sort of early understanding of how music relates to who we are and the world around us.